Kempo Jitsu Karate technique number 4, lone kimono, defense against the lapel grab. This guy has reached up, he's grabbed your lapel, you know what's coming next, he's going to throw a punch with that right hand. So we're gonna counteract this action. The moment he grabs, we're gonna pin his hand and we're gonna pull him towards us. We're gonna pull him off balance, so he's gonna have a hard time throwing that right punch. We're going to take our bottom hand here and we're going to strike up and straighten out that arm. It would look something like this. Boom, straighten out that arm. I'm going to come down around and come over the top, and I'm going to hit the top of that forearm, striking all the nerves along that forearm. I'm actually pulling him towards me. I still have him pinned here, and I hit his forearm down. I'm going to follow up with an outward chop or hammer fist towards the neck or chin. So by the numbers, it's 1, 2, 3. And again, I'm going to step back on movement number 1. 1, 2, 3. That's defense against the left-handed lapel grab. All right, for the kumite portion of this technique, I like to think of it this way. We're going to be here in our fighting stance. We're going to hit him with a 4-knuckle shot to the head, back knuckle shot, pull it through, and an uppercut to the ribs. 3 motions. We're making a big looping circle here and coming back with an uppercut. So here we go. Inward forearm, back knuckle, uppercut. Left hand is up checking. Inward 4-knuckle, outward back fist, uppercut strike to the ribs. Practice those 2 sets, and I'll see you on the next video.